and today I'm teaching you how to drive a car. Just kidding, just a little car tricks. Follow my channel. Hi everyone, I'm Denise and I'm thrilled to be a part of Car Gear Guru. I'm 9 years old and I love cars just as much as Solon does. I'll be here to learn with you all about cars, their cool features, and some awesome car tricks. Solon and I are ready to go on some fun-filled car adventures. We'll discover all these amazing things together with you. Get ready for fun experiments, cool facts, and maybe even some racing challenges. Don't forget to like and subscribe and join us in this incredible journey.